morning, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 11:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, November 2nd, 2021. This isn't financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell, be notified when these videos come out, as well as the thumbs up, and share the video with your friends and colleagues who are interested in the graph, as well as iExec, both aka GRT and RLC. Let's go straight into the graph US dollar. We're still hovering around that dollar range. You know, really kind of not doing much but a little bit of sideways action, which is fine. It's nice consolidation, pure consolidation at its best. You know, we had a high not too long ago of $1.20, and we bounced all the way down to 89 cents, and now we're kind of hovering over this kind of mini-me support line, which seems to be bullish. We'll stay over it for another day or so, and then we could start to see a nice bounce. In the meantime, graph relative to Bitcoin starting to show that we're getting back to that line. Again, another sort of support line here. We could be in for a small bounce right now, but we'll continue to keep monitoring this. In the meantime, over to RLC. Wow, what a rise. We just kind of like went straight from 434 right up to the next line of resistance and now pulling back. Let's take a look at a more deep dive view in this. Hit it here, hitting it here. You know, we'll see, but certainly looking like potentially a miniature support line that I think we could, you know, consider as a potential new line of support, at least in the very near term. I'd say between now and this afternoon, something ought to happen. Either we continue up sharp or we can continue down sharp. But certainly looking very bullish on the RLC US dollar as of right now. We've already had a nice little bull run over the past 12 hours. I mean, clearly up here in the, you know, once we pass, if we pass the 515, I tweeted this out earlier as well, but once we pass this 515 area, I mean, there's nothing stopping us from there. So we'll continue to keep our eye on that. In the meantime, RLC Bitcoin also making a money move right here over that orange line that we were talking about. I drew this right before the video. This is a new green line of resistance, so we may start hitting some resistance here, which may kind of temper RLC US dollar potentially over this 515 line if we do get over it and stay over it. So that's just something to keep in mind. In the meantime, over to Bitcoin, certainly making a money move. We're at over 64,000 right now. We kind of anticipated it. In fact, looking like an inverted head and shoulders here on the Bitcoin pair, which if resolved, we can get back up to 67,000 relatively short period of time. That's a good 5% up from where we are right now. In the meantime, over to Bitcoin, certainly, you know, pulling back, but then pulling back up a little bit here, really due to Bitcoin's, you know, utter strength. So back up on the top end of this channel. Closing in on the support line. If we bust through this, we could be in for a sharp uptick on the Bitcoin dominance. It would be okay and not terrible for altcoin if that happens. As long as Bitcoin's going up at the same velocity as Bitcoin dominance is, that's really all we care about to offset any negative impact to the altcoin market. In the meantime, that's pretty much all I've got. Hope everyone's having a good day. Take it easy. Bye.